Hi! In this video, I will teach you how to install or reset Windows 10. So the first step we need to take is we need to head over to the search bar right here and search in here for recovery. So you can see in here so many options, but what you need to click on is this recovery options from system settings. So open that one right here. And then this will open the settings on your computer wherein you can see this reset this PC and also this advanced startup. So what we need to do is we need to click on this get started right here. And then this will open this window with two options. So in here on the first option, you can keep your files and it will remove the apps and settings. So the second option, it will remove everything including your personal files, apps, and settings. So for me, I'll choose this keep my files right here. And then this will load like this. Then this will ask you how you want to install Windows. It can be a cloud download or it can be a local install right here. So for me, I will choose this one right here. After that, it will show you this additional settings wherein you can restore the apps and settings from this PC and you can also reinstall Windows from this device. This is just a summary of what you have chosen so far. After that, click on next and it will show you this one right here. It will take a while, but it's not that long if you want to wait it out. So let's just wait for this, and as you can see, it already showed us this one. So it will show you this prompt wherein resetting will change the settings back to defaults. You can keep your personal files. You can reinstall Windows from the device. It will remove all apps and programs. You can click on this one to view all the apps that will be removed. As you can see, all of these apps will be removed once I have resetted my Windows 10. So let's click on back. After that, you can just click on this reset right here, and this will take a while and your PC will restart after this process. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to install or reset Windows 10. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!